Welcome to my channel, guys. I actually bought this car with the engine being in pieces, so I'm not a qualified mechanic, so I'm going to assemble it myself, hoping that everything goes well as planned. So it's going to be a long journey. There's a lot of things that needs to be done on the car. On the last part of the video, I will show you the car. I will reveal the car before and the after. So I hope you subscribe to my channel and like, and please enjoy the video. These main bearings and crank bearings can only be fitted one side. As you can see, the notch there needs to sit just like that. And make sure after you put in the bearings, it's all flush, it's smooth. Everyone has their own ways of doing engines up. This is just a simple way for me to do it. It was successful for me, but I will show it to you all on the last video. The thrust washers, they just stick onto the block. You just put some oil and it will just hold there. The thrust washers are there to avoid the crank from moving left to right. This is the groove that the thrust washer sticks onto. Make sure you oil the bearings before you put the crankshaft in. And when the crankshaft is in, try not to turn it, because if you turn it, the thrust washer will come up because there's no cap there. But I just turned it just to make sure that it's not catching anywhere and it's moving easily. I used a lot of oil while I was building this engine just to make sure that it lubricates properly, so nothing gets seized or makes a noise or anything of that sort. But that's the notch that I'm talking about, can only fit in one way. So and make sure before you put the caps on as well, there's a lot of oil. The more oil you put, the better it is. Each cap should have a number on it, so it goes in sequence and it goes according to where it came out from, so it makes things easy. Every sequence of you tightening it, even after you tighten it by hand, turn the crank, Okay, now I'm done locking with a torque wrench as well. The crank is running smooth, everything seems right. This is the piston. I'm gonna put on the rings. Make sure to handle the rings with care because these rings are not very strong. They can break easily if you force them. So they're not meant to withhold tension. Now it's time to put the contour bearings, so some say big end bearings. I'm just going to add some oil before putting in the bearing and after I put the bearing in. Also, the big end bearings can only go in one way. There's a notch on it as well. Some cars don't have it, so if it doesn't have a notch, then it can go in either way. Unfortunately, that's the end of part 1. So please stay tuned. I hope you liked the video, enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2.